everyone and welcome back. So after your maths class, it's time to begin with our EVS class today. But can anyone tell me that have you understood what we have done in our maths class? We have learnt about subtraction. See, when we are pronouncing this, we just have to say subtraction, and that is minus. So hope you have understood how we minus something from the given group. Clear? And now it's time to move towards our next class, that is your EVS class. Till now in EVS we have been learning about myself, my family, body parts. Then we have also done shapes, colors, fruits, vegetables. Isn't it? We have learned a lot of things. Now today what I am going to teach you, I am going to tell you about how to keep yourself healthy, why it is important to keep ourselves healthy. See beta, one thing is how to do something, कि हमें कोई काम कैसे करना है. So how we are going to keep ourselves healthy. Second is why it is important to keep ourselves healthy. हमें अपने आप को हेल्दी रखने के लिए why it is important, क्यों जरूरी है खुद को हेल्दी रखना और हम खुद को हेल्दी कैसे रख सकते हैं. So there are some daily routine activities which we have to follow and I'm pretty sure you all must be following also. आप सब उनको follow भी कर रहे होंगे. But the thing is we need to understand why we are doing these activities every day. Why mama is asking us to brush teeth every day? Why? Can anyone tell me why every day mama say go brush your teeth in the morning, go brush your teeth before going for a sleep? Why it is important? Why she is saying so? See, these are few things I have drawn here which keeps us healthy, or you can say they help us to keep ourselves healthy. How? See, we have a toothpaste, a toothbrush, we have a comb, hair oil, soap, bucket, shower, nail cutter. So these are few things that help us to keep healthy. How? First thing is, when we wake up in the morning, the first activity we do is brush our teeth. Why we do that? There are a lot of germs in the mouth. अब माउथ में germs कहाँ से आए? See, dear little ones, आप जब भी खाना खाते हो, whenever you are eating something, the food that you are eating goes in the stomach, but when you are chewing your food, जब आप अपना खाना chew करते हैं, तो क्या होता है? उसके छोटे-छोटे particles आपके teeth में कहीं-कहीं पे फंस जाते हैं. They got stuck there. अब वहाँ पे struck हो जाते हैं. Then what happen if you don't gargle, if you don't brush your teeth? वो वहीं रहते हैं and they decay. वो क्या होता है? खराब हो जाते हैं and they decay your tooths also. वो आपके दांतों को भी खराब करते हैं and develops the cavity. Germs आ जाते हैं, cavity आ जाती है which destroy our teeth. Clear? अब वो जो छोटे-छोटे particles हैं उनको बाहर निकालने के लिए what we do? We brush our teeth. Every day in the morning you use paste on your brush and then you brush your teeth, and then what happens? When you are brushing your teeth, a foam comes out. एक झाग बन जाता है and we spit that. उस झाग के अंदर सारे germs, cavities, जो भी छोटे-छोटे food particles होते हैं वो उसमें आ जाते हैं and we spit it out. This is how we are keeping our mouth clean. See, सबसे पहले क्या होता है, जो भी germs हैं अगर माउथ में हैं तो वो टमी में जाएंगे ही जाएंगे ना, और वो आपको बीमार कर देंगे. अगर आप बीमार हो, that means you are not healthy. If you are ill, you are not healthy. Okay? So the first thing is to keep your mouth clean. And who is helping us? Toothpaste and toothbrush, isn't it? So this is the reason why your parents ask you to brush your teeth in morning as well as at night. सोने से पहले जब when we do ना at night before going for a sleep, what happens? You eat dinner, you take your milk, and पूरे दिन में आप जो भी खाते हो, sometimes you eat chocolates, toffees, chips, all these things ना, they do a lot of damage. तो जब आप सोने से पहले सारा क्लीन कर देते हो, सारे जो वो स्मॉल फूड पार्टिकल्स बाहर निकाल देते हो, then there is no chance of your for any germs or any cavity to damage your teeth. Clear? So understood why brushing teeth is important and how a toothpaste and a toothbrush is helping us to keep ourselves healthy. Okay, now moving to the next thing. Next is we have a nail cutter. So what is this? It's a nail cutter. So can you tell me what is the use of this nail cutter? Can anyone tell me the use? Yes, we use nail cutter to trim our nails. So you all have nails on your 10 fingers and 10 toes. You have nails on them. वो बड़े भी हो जाते हैं, they grow, है ना? Then what happens? जब वो big हो जाते हैं, वो grow हो जाते हैं, then what happens? उसमें सारा dirt आने लग जाता है. Clear? आप देखते हो ना वो black black दिखते हैं आपको nails की tip जो होती है, वो क्या होता है? That is germs, nothing else. और फिर क्या होता है? If you don't trim them, वो उसमें सारा dirt फंस जाता है, germs आ जाते हैं, and when you are eating food, all that germs is going in your mouth, और वो खाने के साथ कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Again in your stomach. और फिर क्या हो रहा है? जब वो खाने के साथ stomach में जा रहे हैं, again stomach में क्या हो रहा है? आप बीमार हो रहे हो, वहाँ पे germs आ जाते हैं, वो germs आपको healthy नहीं रहने देते हैं, and then again you have to run to a doctor. फिर से डॉक्टर के पास जाना पड़ता है, फीवर आ जाता है, coughing होती है, cold होता है, stomach pain होता है, and you have to eat lot of medicines. So what is the best part in that? इन सब से बचने का what is the best way out? Just trim your nails regularly using a nail cutter. So you all are having, don't use yourself, no, you are too small, आप अपने आप को hurt कर लोगे. So ask your mother, ask your father or anyone who is elder at your home कि please trim my nails. And आप कैसे देख सकते हो? आपको खुद पता लग जाएगा कि आपके nails में dirt है, वो grow हो गए हैं. So ask anyone at home who is elder कि please kindly trim my nails. So they'll use a nail cutter and they'll trim all those grown up nails. अब वो जब grown up nails जो हैं वो आपके trim हो जाते हैं, then what happen? कोई germ नहीं लगे, उसमें कोई dirt नहीं आएगा, germs नहीं develop होंगे, and when you are eating your food, कुछ होगा ही नहीं. Okay, one thing more. There is one habit which we always practice before eating our food. What is that? Can anyone tell me? What is that? Washing your hands. See, we always wash our hands using soap, be that a liquid soap or be that soap bar, कुछ भी हो सकता है. But we have always seen, and ma'am in the school, mama at home, everywhere, everybody says wash your hands regularly, properly. Why? Because हमारे hand पे भी ना बहुत सारे germs होते हैं. We have lot of germs on our hands. अभी भी आपको लग रहा है clean है, but if I want to eat something, first I need to wash my hands with soap. Why? Because soap क्या होता है? When we apply soap on our hand ना, तो हमारे hand के जो सारे germs हैं वो kill हो जाते हैं. And after applying soap, after rubbing it thoroughly, we resin it with water. हम क्या करते हैं? Water से उसको सारे को resin out कर देते हैं. तो वो जब सारा soap हट जाता है, that means that soap is taking away all the germs with it. Clear? तो आप खाना खाने से पहले you are having trimmed nails, कोई dirt नहीं है. Hand के ऊपर जो है you have washed that with soap. सारा wash out कर दिया है हमने soap से. Our hands are all clean and now we can eat our food. And when you are eating food with clean hands, when their hands are not having any germs on them, then there is no chance of falling ill at all. And you will be healthy. Isn't it? So these are few practice which you are observing every day, but don't forget कि वो आपको याद से करनी है. कभी आप बाहर से आए हो खेल के, मम्मा बहुत भूख लगी है, मम्मा प्यास लगी है, and without washing your hands you drink water, you eat something. No, don't do that. It take only 1 minute or 2 minutes to wash your hands, to wash your face, wash your foot, and done. Clear? So never, whenever you are going out and you are coming back home, don't forget to clean your hands, your foot, your face. To just keep yourself clean is your own responsibility. Okay? Now moving to the next thing we have is a hair oil and a comb. So what is the use of this hair oil and comb? As I have written hair oil, obviously we are applying this oil on our hair and comb. So now you will say कि मैम अब ये हमें हाइजीनिक कैसे रखता है? See, when we keep ourselves groomed, हम अपने आप को अच्छे से comb करते हैं अपने hair को, तो क्या होता है जो भी dirt होती है that comes out. आपने देखा है when you do comb, तो comb में थोड़े थोड़े से dust particles होते हैं. Comb को भी we have to regularly clean, उसको भी regularly wash करना चाहिए. So that dust particles वो क्या है? When you are just dressing your hairs, you are dressing up your hair, जब आप अपने hair को dress कर रहे हो, तो at that time what happen? उसमें से सारी dirt comb में से comb के through बाहर आ जाती है. And again you are keeping your hair clean. And oil help to keep your hair strengthened. Clear all? Next we have is a soap, a shower, a bucket. So you all must be understanding where we can see these in a bathroom. And for what we use them? To take a shower. Why we take a shower? Again, to keep ourselves clean. हम नहाते क्यों हैं in the morning? See, जब आप nowadays when corona is going on, it is always prescribed कि जब भी आप बाहर जाते हैं and you come back home, you should take a shower. Why? Because all the germs and the dirt that is coming on your body. See, सिर्फ यहीं पे germs नहीं होते हैं. Germs आपके पूरे hand पे और on your neck, your face, everywhere. So you have to keep yourself clean. And the best part is to take a complete shower. When you are taking a shower using soap and water, all the dirt is going out. All the germs are just getting killed. सारे जो soap है वो सारे germs को kill करती है and we wash it off with water. This is how we keep ourselves clean. Now, keeping clean helps us to keep ourselves healthy. But there are few more things that can help us to keep ourselves healthy. Those are, first is the food you eat. When we were doing the topic of fruits and vegetables, I have told you it is very important to have a healthy diet. Remember what is a healthy diet we did? Junk food, healthy food, हमने topic किया था, you remember that? So if you are eating junk food, why we call that junk food? Junk हम किसको कहते हैं? The one which is good for nothing. So if you are only eating that junk food, आप junk food ही खा रहे हो, that will not give you any good health. आपको ना तो एनर्जी मिलेगी, ना उससे प्रोटीन्स मिलेंगे, ना आपको उससे विटामिन्स मिनरल्स जो आपकी बॉडी को ग्रो करने में हेल्प करते हैं, you will not get anything. So eating healthy food is equally important. So we'll write healthy food. Eating healthy food is equally important if you want to keep yourself fit, fine and healthy. So eating junk food is like no. Once in a while, okay, I understand if it's your birthday, you're going out, that's okay. But if you are consuming it every day, it is not at all good for your health. वो आपको बीमार करेगा ही करेगा. You will fall sick. Okay? Then we have is, yes, one complaint which all the parents are doing these days is that you're watching television, you're not doing your studies, you're not reading books. That is not good. See, I will not say कि don't watch cartoons at all. आप cartoons देखिए, but just limitize your time. आप उसको 1 hour देखिए, half an hour देखिए, maximum 1 hour, not more than that. Okay? So, and when you are watching television, don't sit very close to it. आपको कम से कम उससे you can say कि just sit at the end of the room. If see, this is your board. अब आप board को भी दूर से देख रहे हैं ना? So this is how you have to watch your television from a distance. Is that clear? अगर आप बहुत close से देखोगे, your eyes will get damaged. आपकी जो eyes हैं वो बहुत soft tissues होते हैं हमारी eyes में, वो damage हो जाएंगे. And then again मैम की तरह specs लगाना पड़ेगा. You know, when I was a small kid, मैं बहुत television देखती थी. I know. And this is the reason I have a specs. मैम की तरह specs लग जाएगा आपको. So this is my experience I'm sharing. Don't watch television. बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं देखना और बहुत पास से नहीं देखना है। और मैम ये दोनों गलती करते थे, मैम बहुत पास से भी देखते थे और मैम बहुत ज़्यादा भी देखते थे। तो अब आप देख लो, मैम इज हैविंग अ स्पेक्स, यू वांट दिस? नो, डोंट हैव इट। ओके, सो टेलीविजन को दूर से देखना है, सो दैट इज ऑल्सो हेल्पिंग यू टू कीप योरसेल्फ हेल्दी। हाउ? स्पेक्स नहीं लग रहे, ओके, योर आईज आर हेल्दी। देन अनदर थिंग इज प्लेइंग आउट। See beta, doing some or the other physical activity is really very needed also and very important also. जब आप बाहर खेलने जाते हैं या okay, I'm not asking you to go out in the parks. You can go at your terrace. आप terrace पे play करिए पापा के साथ, मम्मा के साथ. Play something outdoor also. Because when you are doing some physical activities, they are helping you to grow your muscles. Now every day we are sharing you prayer videos. In that we are also sharing yoga sessions. If you are actually practicing that yoga every day, that is doing a very good, that is giving you a lot of benefits. How? Because आपकी muscles की movement होती है, joint movements होती हैं and your muscles grow करेंगे, आप healthy रहेंगे, आप भी grow करेंगे. So physical activities are also very important to keep yourself healthy. Clear? Then next is a very good sound sleep, the most important thing. जब आप सोते हैं, it is very important you take a proper sleep of around 10 hours. आप छोटे हैं, the kids of your age should take a proper sleep of at least 10 hours. So you have to go to bed early. After 9 o'clock, no need to watch television. Just go for a sleep by 9. And in the morning, yes, wake up by 6. 6 o'clock तक आप उठिए, उसके बाद आपकी क्लासेस का टाइम स्टार्ट हो जाता है. तो you have a lot of time to get ready, to have your breakfast. So again, breakfast is very important meal. Is that clear to all of you? I told you when we were doing foods, the topic of fruits and vegetables, eating breakfast is very important because that is the first meal of the day. पूरे दिन में आप सबसे पहला वही खाते हैं, your breakfast. और जो आप ब्रेकफास्ट में खाते हैं वो पूरे दिन आपको एनर्जी देता है. सो योर ब्रेकफास्ट शुड बी हेल्दी एंड इट शुड बी प्रॉपरली ईटन. ये नहीं कि बस मिल्क खा पी लिया एंड डन. नो, इट शुड बी प्रॉपरली. यू शुड हैव वन पराठा और बिस्किट्स और सैंडविच विद मिल्क. क्लियर ऑल? आई होप द टॉपिक व्हाट आई वांट टू टीच यू विद दिस टॉपिक इज क्लियर टू यू. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स वी डू एवरी डे बट वी डोंट नो व्हाई वी डू. They are helping us to keep ourselves healthy, and living a healthy life is really very important. Daily बीमार होना, medicines खाना, I don't like. You all like that? No ना? Medicines तो किसी को भी अच्छी नहीं लगती. So if you actually want to avoid taking medicines, you should follow all these healthy habits every day. Clear all? Okay. So class, now I am going to tell you how you are going to do your work in book. So as I told you, open your book on page number 22. Clear? And there you will find the topic keeping healthy. Circle yes for a healthy habit and no for an unhealthy habit. So what you are going to do? See here, some pictures are given. Can you see that? So the boy is brushing his teeth. Is it a healthy habit or you know? Yes, it is a healthy habit. So what you are going to do? You are going to circle yes here. Now this boy is eating a burger. Oh my God, I told you. You should eat junk food or no? No, you should not. So what we'll do no here. So now this girl is trimming the nails. Is it a good habit? Yes, we should always trim our nails. So we are going to circle yes here. Next we have is the girl is enjoying eating a fruit. So is eating fruit healthy? Yes, it is. Again, we are going to circle yes here. The next we have is a boy washing the hands. Is it good? Yes. So what we'll do, we'll circle yes here. Next we have is a boy watching television sitting very close to it. Is it a good habit? Is it a healthy habit? No, it is not. So we'll circle no here. Understood? Next we have is a boy eating a proper food. But can you see how he is eating the food? There are a lot of dirt on his hand. Can you see that? Can you see? See this? Lot of dirt now. He has not washed his hand. So is it a healthy habit? No, it is not. Next is a boy playing outside. Yes, physical activity. And then a boy is taking a proper sleep. Yes, it is also a healthy habit. Clear all how you're going to do this work? Next we are going to on page number 23, and there we see match the things you need to do these activities. So here a girl is, what she is doing? She is combing her hair. Then a boy is taking a shower. He is taking a bath. Then a boy is again doing brush. This girl, she is trimming her nails. And this boy is sleeping. So what do you have to do now? You have to see, to do these activities, what all things we need. A toothbrush and a toothpaste, a mirror, hair, oil and comb. Then we have a bed. Then we have soap, bucket and shower. And lastly we have a nail cutter. So as I have told you, the uses, what you will do, you are going to match them all yourself. Is that clear to you? So class, I hope you have understood today's work, today's topic and the importance of observing all these habits. Isn't it? So again, I am requesting you all, don't disobey your parents. What they are saying is for your good health. If they are asking you to do your work, if they are asking you to follow these habits, you should follow them, because I have told you why it is important. Okay, so please follow all the healthy habits, eat healthy food, go for sleep on time, wake up early in the morning and do your physical activities like yoga, exercises every day. Okay, bye all, take care, keep healthy, take care all.